If POCO launches the POCO M3 in India at 10,000 rupees, which they should and probably will, I think this will be the only phone under 10,000 rupees to have a 48 megapixel camera, if I'm right. Sounds good, right? But I must admit, installing GCam on it sounds even better. So let's do that. This is Ashwin from Technology Jock, and I'd really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. Before we begin, a huge shout out to our sponsor, Glazed Ink. Glazed Ink makes amazingly durable tempered glasses for a lot of phones, including the OnePlus Nord, POCO X3, and so on. What's special about Glazed Ink is, apart from a full glue edge-to-edge glass, they also provide a real curved tempered glass with actual 2.5D glass near the edges, which essentially eliminates the awkward gap on the sides which you generally get from installing most other tempered glasses in the market. So do check out Glazed Ink, link in the description. Technology Jock subscribers can use the promo code TJOCK to get 10% discount. Back to the video, I'm using GCam 8.1 on my POCO M3, but if for any reason this version doesn't work on your unit, you can also try one of the other versions. I've given all the links in the description. All the versions work fine on my phone, I've verified it, but I'm recommending this particular one, which is the first one in the description, because there is not much to configure in this one. Just download the APK, install it, open it, swipe down on the main screen, enable HDR Plus Enhanced, the third option. That's it. You could go to settings, mod settings, and play around with these options, but do it only if you know what exactly you're doing. I don't recommend this for most people because even without doing anything, this GCam gets really good results. When the lighting is good, the photos shot with GCam are considerably better than the ones shot with the stock camera app. First, the obvious difference. The color of this high-rise building is more accurate on the GCam photo. Next, look at all those balconies. On the stock camera photo, most of them look too dark. There's almost no detail at all. And third is the difference in sharpness, be it the safety grills or the hanging clothes or even just the texture of the wall. Everything is a lot sharper on the GCam picture. Stock camera has kind of smudged up everything. This is a similar picture and the observations are the same. In some cases, basically in very ideal lighting scenarios like this, there is not a huge difference. The exposure, the colors, they're all pretty much similar. But still, using GCam is a safer bet because look at this. This is also an ideal lighting scenario, but the color of this bench is way off on the stock camera image. GCam doesn't go wrong in capturing the colors accurately, like almost it never goes wrong. Here, the blacks looked blacker on the GCam image, which is more accurate, and even the yellows and the reds in the background, they exhibit a lighter shade on the stock camera picture, which means those regions are slightly overexposed, as in they are brighter than they should be. It's even more evident in this comparison. The white flower is clearly overexposed. It just became too white. Therefore, the details get very smudged up. Here again on the stock camera image, we can notice that the exposure is higher than it should be. It's too bright, details missing. Portrait mode works too, and it manages to get some really nice results. Again, better colors, better skin tones, and better exposure. The stock camera doesn't support HDR in portrait mode, while GCam does. Look at the sky here. The same can be said about selfie portraits too. The GCam portrait is just so good, especially in bad or challenging lighting conditions like this. The selfies are much sharper and brighter. The dynamic range is excellent. Forget about this comparison. I can confidently say these GCam selfies are among the best that any phone under 20,000 or 25,000 rupees can get. Now, if I told you I shot these using a 25,000 rupee phone, you would probably believe it. Well, actually, I already did that on Twitter, and here are the responses. Crazy, right? And it's not just in good lighting conditions, even under low light, the POCO M3 can get really good selfies using GCam. Here it was almost pitch dark and the stock camera could see almost nothing, while Google Camera captured something. And the best part is GCam has night sight even for selfies. So in night sight mode, the selfies are just way better. Like there's no comparison here. And of course, it's not just selfies, even rear camera images come out really nice. GCam gets the colors right. In extremely dark scenarios like this, once again, Google Camera clicks better or brighter images. You cannot even see the roof on the stock camera image or the curtains on the right-hand side. Night mode on stock cam and night sight on GCam make things better and brighter. The difference is not that huge now, but still, the GCam image is still better. It's sharper. So go ahead, all 4 links can be found in the description. Just try the first one, it should probably work on your phone. I know the POCO M3 hasn't launched in India yet, but it will probably launch very soon. So yeah, that's it. If by chance you have a POCO M3 with you, do try it out, do click a lot of pictures and maybe share them on social media and tag Technology Jock. Maybe I'll get to have a look at it and maybe share it with more people. Definitely join our Telegram channel, link in the description, for a lot of exciting stuff like mini giveaways, intro videos, early access to some sequences, etc. That's it. Thanks for watching. This is Ashwin Sundar from Technology Jock, and I'll be seeing you in a video very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.